your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times. Today is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Makesi 0. Glodley Lilepo, man of the match. He's the one who provided the assist to Ashley Dupree, who made his comeback against the Sundowns over the weekend. Namhlanje, Umfana Uzile was the redeemer, making sure Uguti collects all the maximum points for Iqela lakhe le Kaizer Chiefs. Quick game. Ibinganigisi mdla at all. Game ibingenamlilo. A game that had nothing, but it had one goal. It had 3 points for Kaizer Chiefs. I've got a former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Used to bank goals, used to assist for Kaizer Chiefs. Junior, you used to bank goals for this team. You used to assist for this team. I mean, what Ulilepo did namhlanje la assist. I've seen you once doing shouty in. No, I'm good, my brother. I'm good.
Chimi yami angeke ngiye ebafethu ngibulisa umntana kaKristu Machaka unkululeko maprala udindo phephe ngibulisa ubobzini ngibulise utso ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football man mina ngidisappointed man. Let me compliment Kaizer Chiefs for winning the game. Yeah, that's very important because by inconsistency, especially this season, you will never know what you're going to. But I'm very happy they won the game. But overall performance from both teams, I think because the markets they're playing it Betway Premiership, we don't have to do favors. Both teams, I think they lack quality of players. I think they lack the quality. Both teams, they lack the quality. Yeah, both teams baleki quality. The quality of football ebesibukele namhlanje into beyenza ukuthi ibe not up to the standard is because of the players. Both teams. If players adlala ku Betway Premiership can't pass, how do you expect the team ukuthi dominate? How do you expect the teams to create chances? How do you expect the team to dominate? It's very disappointed mina Shane lento engiyibonile game namhlanje. Owen Takama coming to this game. I think about Owen game ibashile man. We need to be realistic and stay straightforward. You come to the game plan was to defend, not even have a plan B, which how you am I okay so defend ngizokora kanjani which is. It didn't have a plan to score Kaizer Chiefs. I think Owen coming to this game bega na this thing ukuthi if ngadlala 0-0, not even a draw 1-1. If I can play 0-0 draw, I will be fine. Ngoba team yakhe the players that is good, I think I'm not too sure whether bafana bathukiwe or the quality, they lack the quality. They can't even receive the ball, trap. They're telling guma wrong, guma direction wrong. Yeah. I mean, the goal that they scored, the Kaizer Chiefs, I think they were given by Imake. The boy who make bamfaga second half, who turned it wrong. I mean, they lack awareness, these players. Sure. I'm very disappointed. Kaizer Chiefs players as well, technically very poor. Movement of the ball is poor. In fact, the game was boring because of the players. So I know Kaizer Chiefs they won. Omunye Chiefs my win ile kunzima nokuthi nganalyze this game mina for me as Junior Thabo. It's very difficult mina it's the first time ukuthi game ibenzima ngalendlela ukuthi ngiyibheke ngianalyze. True, but umsebenzi wami I have to do. In this game Shane, the difference was a goal. Yeah, I think the goal was very good. Aksiko that we give credit to his shoe. The goal I think was created. We ambona no Lilepo the way laying a corner square pass, good finish, good pass from Lilepo from the midfield and good square pass, and then late come Nuti Prince good finish as well. So he goal will compliment. None other than that, I think the game was like technically the movement of the ball, the awareness. There was no agency from both teams. Udlala ngePCI against Sundowns Chiefs because they didn't play well there, but they were very aggressive against Sundowns. Yeah. Also, badlala ngeChampion High. But coming to this game, playing against Makesi at home this way, I mean, for me, even Makesi, it's team got Owen Takama very poor. I mean, how many times they lost the ball? They didn't deserve anything. Now, but deserve next. Even yes, Chiefs didn't play well now, but Chiefs they deserve to win the game because Bonaba created the chance one, not even 1 or 2 or 3. They deserve to win this game. But other than that, in my case, they came to they don't deserve nothing.
Sure. Emakesi Junior xa ubajongile we know ukuthi team as well. For example, I don't know what's wrong with this team. For example, check how Maromo Gallants were all over Orlando Pirates over the weekend. We didn't watch a game about Stellenbosch, but last time I checked, it was around 90th minute. They were trailing to Stellenbosch 1-0. Now, this is the same Makesi. You saw how they played against Sundowns when they lost 2-1. But Coach Wanguyo, remember their performance there when Sundowns struggled to beat them, but Sundowns, the quality showed good, okay, we are Sundowns, they beat Makesi. But the performance of Makesi against Kaizer Chiefs, did it convince you that these people are fighting Banga relegator at the end of the season?
You can fight, but the quality, if there's no quality, you can fight, you can give it all. But ungadlala performance. Performance and the quality of players, it's a totally different thing. I think they were trying to impress the coach. I'm a player match, coach we're going to pay the coaching. I figured I don't need you, and then you need to leave. Playing against Sundowns, everybody has said to be bought by Sundowns. Unfortunately, they don't sign players just J. They sign players according to the quality of the players also the style of play sabo. They sign players according to that. They don't just sign because the market value or the player that is gonna player available. So I'm a player case. I think they were impressing they were trying by all means to impress the coach, and it works for them. But not only this, I think they've been poor technically. Tactical as well. Owen as a coach, I just want to find out. I saw him morning against SuperSport in a penal, but more or less the similar type of coaches. Owen, no, Kevin. They are the same coach for me. He came here by improvement. Always still a ceiling. Owen long in Bugele 2002, 2003, and 4. It's the same Owen Takama. He go 1-on-1. We defend every man behind the ball like he did today. Not even intention to score. If we score, well done to whatever little player go read. I think he also had to credit that point. But I see coaching detail. We are about good. I see from on the training. It's from the player. Among the player, the market scored today. Everybody was behind the ball. There was intention to get the goal. How many times hit the target, or even off target today?
I think once.
It's a corner kick.
I call it Bola Bikachwe Mutupa.
Where?
It was just now second half. Just on the second half. You call it Bola Kabile, why save it was by corner, but remember that chance. I think that was their only real. It wasn't even a real chance because Mutupa was just shooting was outside.
Did you see his angle? Mutupa on the side. Some way to it was a boring game for me. But well done to Chiefs with Batati Shantiabo. If the man is down, just kick him. I mean, well done, they did exactly, but now they are not at the best. There's a lot of average players at Chiefs, I'm still saying. They won, but you cannot win without dominating the game. Just dominate the game. Score and dominate the game. Can you move the ball around? Build any confidence to yourself. No matter so if you come to this game and just losing the ball and passes, I mean, playing for Chiefs, national team. I mean, we need to be real. Now, Owen with a premiership. Unless means an excuse. We can't make an excuse that there's no resources. You sign on a chance to even the period my vula go into scouting. I think the both problem my team with you. I think is scouting. The players they brought in both teams. I'm paid to Basazo lose some game in General Chiefs. They're still gonna lose some couple of games. Yes, Baso they will get away Mama team G and Makis, but some they're gonna lose. And Makis I'm seeing them going to relegation.
They didn't impress me at all. They didn't play like a team. I know teams when junior that are fighting for relegation. And when I go first round of the season, you might collect all the points, but second round, as team is relegation, you might even be at the top and play team as Zansi. Then Bakba never get 1-0 or Bakwa 1-0. But in my case, they didn't play like a team that is fighting relegation.
About my case, Jobang Chele scouting. About under structure there. Who's the technical team there? I respect you, Cheki, former teammate, but they must do the right things. I need to be honest and bring on a coach. He raised some questions. And it's me. I mean, I'm very disappointed. I'm not too sure, but pace one. Even no man we are NFT Municipal Championship, are you gonna come back now? The might it's illegal pace high, maximum football, and you can't falter because of there's not much resources there. It's survival of the fittest. You mount a character and then you work hard, you can come back. But Coupe Premiership the way they are playing, especially now Coach Owen. Team yabo nje with those type of players. Unfortunately, I feel sorry for them. And also to Kaizer Chiefs, these players they must ask themselves question. If criminal squad, they not even calling them the squad that's called by Hugo Pros. May I raise a question to them.
Wow. Julia, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for analysis. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Magesi 0. That's it. Betway Premiership, umdlalo besubukela namhlanje lo. Umdlalo ubunganikisi imdla, but if as the Kaizer Chiefs will be happy with the 3 points, and they will be happy that Ashley Dupree is back, and Ashley Dupree has scored a goal. They'll be happy that Ulilepo, the player that they praise so much, created, he assisted a goal namhlanje. That was the most important thing ngomdlalo wa namhlanje. Otherwise, it's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Magesi 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.